So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you like how to make a smooth transition like you saw in Instagram or YouTube. So I'm gonna show you like how to make it. So first go to the new project and then it's 916, then choose the black color and then create project and go to the code option, then go to the transition, then choose the transition fragment 4. Okay, so now you just need to tap on the effect and then enter the group, then click on the and then just do copies like 6 to 8 copies. So I'm gonna make it. Let's see how. Just tap on the effect and then copy it. I'm gonna start from the second one, go to here, then copy, then move to this side, then again choose the first one, then copy there. Okay, like this. Now again make a copy and then move here, series by series. Just tap on the one effect and then choose any pick you want. Exit the group and then let's see how this works. See this. Now just tap on the code and then just tap on the fit button 2 times and then see. This is done, and then just export this to 1080p and then 60 and then 32 MPS exported. And this, let's see this look good or not. Yeah, it looks good. So if you want this type of tutorial, then do subscribe and like, comment, and thank you for watching. Just give me a chance, we can carry on. I've made much